I'm going to show you something I am low-key obsessed with. Yeah. This is a UCV object sanitizer. This is the Lumin 3B medical sanitizer. It's not just for medical use per se, it's for anything. So let me show you how it works. Look how huge this compartment is. It comes with this tray. So this is great if you need to elevate anything. Like, this is great for holding the accessories to your CPAP machine or any other accessories, okay? So I want you to think big. Think coming home from being out anywhere social and putting your phone in here. Boop. If it fits, it sanitizes. Fidget spinners that your kids have been playing with all day at school and passing around to their friends. Earbuds. Yeah, definitely earbuds. Toys. Tablets, whatever you need to sanitize. Boop, in it goes. All you have to do, press start. When it's in cycle, it runs a cycle of about 5 minutes. This thing is so great. I can't begin to say how many uses I've found and thought of for this already. Like, sanitize all the things, am I right? Now you can always stop it mid-cycle if you hear your phone ringing and you need to take the call. Boop, 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 boop. Hello. Super simple. Once it's done, everything's clean. You don't have to worry about those germs anymore. And the fact that this is so spacious, it's really quite modular, so it fits well on a shelf or even in a drawer. Personally, I think it's just great to have at the ready. You know, come home from work, come home from school, come home from whatever. In go your things. Boom. Boom. I feel better already.